state-of-the-art educational institution and widely known as one of the greenest campuses in the United States.
More and more our students are getting involved in green initiatives. We get a lot of requests now for projects and involvement in some of the things that we do. There's green clubs on campus, and our Sustainability Institute has taken a lead role in the last 2 or 3 years in really growing that student interest and involving them. And so I see a lot more research starting to happen on campus that actually involves the things that we're doing to operate the campus on a day-to-day basis, which is great.
The Institute for Sustainability was created with a goal of greening our campus and educating students in issues surrounding sustainability. The students and faculty are developing a bicycle plan, so for how we could integrate bicycling better into the campus. Another thing we've worked on is a campus food garden. One of our professors is working with students in nutrition and also students in our sustainability program. They're learning about better ways to grow fruit and vegetables and teaching them about community-supported agriculture, organic foods, how to grow foods without pesticides, things like that.
One of the initiatives the Sustainability Institute has been working on recently is a tree tagging and GIS database that they did. If you look at the trees on campus, every one of them has a tag and it's positioned globally, and we have a database where we can actually reference the tree species and all the attributes of the tree. It's a great tool for us in facilities. We use it on a daily basis.
This electronic database will be a useful tool just to manage trees in general. So, most trees need to be pruned on an annual or semi or biannual basis. And so then it will allow the groundskeeper to keep track electronically of what areas have been pruned when and what maintenance operations were carried out.
Here at Northridge, we incorporate a lot of what we do into the curriculum, and we're doing that more and more. For example, with our photovoltaic projects, all of those had student design teams involved in them, in both the planning, the construction, and the installation of those, and also some follow-on studies. One of our key green initiatives here at Cal State Northridge is really to leverage the great climate that we have here. It can often get hot here in the summertime, but we've done a lot of things with shading with our grounds and with our buildings, removing concrete over time, going to more permeable green spaces that really give our students the advantage to use the outdoor area. We actually had some student involvement on our hydrogen fuel cell project where the students actually selected the plant materials to create a simulated rainforest.
This is Arbor Court. It's our newest food unit at Cal State Northridge. When we decided to plan for Arbor Court, one of the highest priorities we put on the table was let's build a green, sustainable facility. We decided the best way to do that is to not build 8,000 square feet of indoor dining space. So because of that decision, we didn't have to air condition it, we didn't have to heat it, we didn't have the electric costs, even the cleaning materials weren't going to be as extensive as what we do here. Is we just spray it down with a hose. So as we were designing Arbor Court, we really wanted to focus on the livability of the space. What we decided to do was build an arbor, kind of make it a forest. So half of it are oak trees, the other half we sort of bleed into this arbor that we have, which has a very unique shape, and it's got bougainvillea growing up it and wisteria. The sun can shine through some of it, but the shade is naturally provided. When it's really hot in the summertime, we have misters. It's not a whole lot of water actually that comes down and mists the customers, and our customers love it. Those few customers that don't want to be in the mist can sit in an area to the north which doesn't have the mist. So it works for everybody, and it's become very popular on campus. It's another example of green on our campus. In fact, this is so far outside the box when we look at what is LEED certified, what is green. Not building a building, I think, goes pretty far as achieving sustainability in a very small carbon footprint.
People that come here to Cal